The European Union heads of mission to Uganda have questioned government's commitment to preserve and conserve the natural resources. With Uganda's forest cover reducing at an alarming rate, the ambassadors want forest reserves such as Bugoma to be protected.
I wasn't really pleased by the way some of the partners reacted, or the stakeholders reacted to this our mission, because one of them, actually a crucial one, Hoima Sugar, chose not to meet us, which is fine. I mean, this is their decision. It's a pity because we did come here with a very open mind.
The ambassadors were on a joint project assessment mission to western and northern regions of Uganda have visited Bugoma Central Forest Reserve, which has been in the limelight in the recent days due to the conflict between conservationists, Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom, and investors in commercial sugarcane growing.
We've been actually engaging government that the challenges we are facing today is just because of corruption and impunity.
This area has been kind of removed from the context of the rule of law. It is a no-zone area.
However, Beatrice Anywa, the State Minister for Water and Environment, reaffirmed government's commitment to conserve and protect Uganda's biodiversity. She says the issue of Bugoma Central Forest Reserve will be amicably resolved soon.
3 weeks now, Cabinet issued a directive. The effect that the agitation of cutting down the trees in Bugoma forest must stop. Claiming ownership, which has gone through courts of law, must be clarified.
Bugoma, a 411 square kilometers protected area, is one of the biggest forest reserves in the country with great conservation importance. The forest is a non-biodiversity hotspot and a vital water catchment area. Its destruction, according to Tom Okello, the Executive Director, National Forest Authority, will have dire environmental, social and economic consequences.
So Bugoma is one of the areas where we think could be like a sink for absorbing the carbon which is associated with oil exploitation. So with all these functions, with the different species, with the function Bugoma is playing, we really feel Bugoma is a candidate for serious thoughts and serious conservation.
Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom is against the destruction of Bugoma forest. That's what I want to tell you. However, we have our land, which is neighboring that forest, which is currently being leased by Hoima Sugar.
Effective management of Bugoma Central Forest Reserve has been a problem since 2016. About 3 weeks ago, the Court of Appeal was supposed to pronounce itself on the issue of the contested land. However, one of the 3 judges pulled out of the case, citing conflict of interest, an issue that is bound to further delay the ruling. Dennis Igoa for UBC News in Hoima.